Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is part 4. It is the final video in my Activewear decluttering spring clearing series. So if you're not familiar with the series that I've started on my channel, I basically am getting rid of a ton of things in my closet. I'm going category by category because I do have a lot of clothing and I don't want these videos to get too long. And today is part 4. It is my leggings and I had a lot of them. Let's go ahead and see what leggings I decided to keep, which ones I decided to get rid of. I got these shorts for my first job back when I worked at Lady Foot Locker in high school back in 2009. I really don't wear them that much. They're a little bit tighter on me now. Obviously, I was smaller back then, but they just remind me too much of biker shorts. They're really tight around my quads and they just squeeze me funny, so I'm going to go ahead and pass on these ones. These are also from Demi by Fabletics collection. I really wanted these in the leggings, but they were sold out by the time I decided to go ahead and purchase them, so I opted in for the shorts instead. They're very interesting. I showed my tops video that I have a top that's similar to it. I prefer the top style more than I do the shorts. I actually have yet to work out in these, so I'm not sure how they'll hold up, but they're actually really good. They're nice in compression. They're not too high, not too low. They don't really give me a problem with bunching or scrunching or anything like that, so they're definitely good material. These straps are just a little bit awkward. I don't know, they're so long, and I'm just trying to show you like how long these straps are. You can literally wear them as overalls if you want to. Like, all right, I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep them and give them a try. I have my own section for Petula in this video just because I feel like that is a large amount of my activewear. It's a brand that I wear quite often, and I'm going to go ahead and just speed through these clips. I'm not going to go too in-depth. Just know that I'm going to go ahead and keep all of these. I am going to do my Petula review soon. These are just some old clips that I had saved on my computer for an old review that I had planned on doing, but I just never got around posting it. So I'm going to go ahead and just do an in-depth review, so stay on the lookout for that. I also have my own section for Gymshark because I do own quite a bit of their items. Again, I'll probably post a separate video with these going more in depth into the items, the sizing, the fit, all that. I'm going to keep everything that I have from my Gymshark collection just because, I don't know, I like them. It's something that I like to collect. And these, and some of my leggings I do have the same style, just different colors, so I'm just going to hold them up to the camera like so. These are the Nikki B leggings, season 1. I have 3 colors. Season 2, I just have this one pattern. These Try Sculpture I have in 3 different colors, but I just didn't feel the need to try on the same legging, just in different colors. I had planned on doing like a leggings fail type of video, and so I saved these next 2 leggings for that purpose. Again, just something I never got around to. These ones, oh my god, I was really excited when I got them in the mail. They were way too big, way too baggy. I feel like I'm wearing parachutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of these. These ones also were so cute. I was so excited to get them. But they are just so sheer, like ridiculously sheer, and they got a hole in the crotch during the middle of my workout. So that was an interesting day. These are from Amazon. They're by the brand Regina. They reminded me of the Gymshark Flex leggings in that, what is it, blue marl color. And I have a matching top to go with these, so I'm going to go ahead and keep them. These Queenie Key leggings I'm going to get rid of. They're really tight around my quads, but so loose around my waist. I was doing cardio in them one day, and like I just had to stop my workout altogether because I kept having to pull these up. It was the most frustrating thing ever. I also did an arm day with them, and I kind of felt the same way. I just kept constantly finding myself pulling them up. Also, I feel like this V shape on the back just makes your butt look smaller, so I'm just going to get rid of them. These next 2 leggings were by the brand Pop Fit when they had their, I'm doing air quotes right now, when they had their free leggings deals, but I ended up paying $12 for shipping. So for each of these, I ended up paying $12, which really isn't bad. But I'm going to only keep this first one shown here just because I don't really have anything like it. They're not really stretchy, but they're not the most compression, if that makes sense. I don't know, they just kind of fit. But as far as cardio goes, I can't really do cardio in them because I do have to pull them up. So they're better off for like a low impact leg day, or just an upper body day, but I'm going to get rid of this second pair just because they're so similar to the first one. These next 4 leggings are from Nike. I got them all back in like 2012, and this one here has a hole in them. I don't know how I've held on to it for so long, but I'm going to throw this one away. This one is the Nike Pro, which I got so much wear out of this one, but it's an extra small now, and I'm clearly not an extra small anymore, so these have just become way too sheer for me. I do plan on repurchasing these in the correct size, though, because I do like them. These are a child's extra large, and they do nothing for me. They make my butt look way too small, and when I squat, my underwear comes out the top. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these 2 colors. I have it in gray and pink. The next 3 leggings are all from Target. I'm going to go ahead and keep all of them. These first 2 have really unique, kind of tribal-like patterns to them. And they're all, well, these first 2 are actually squat proof. And yeah, I just think the designs on them are really nice. I like the watery marble type on this black legging here. This one is just a little bit sheer, but I don't usually wear underwear when I work out in these ones, so I'm going to keep all of them. They're very nice, very compressive. These I got from Sports Authority, so that alone tells you how old these are because Sports Authority doesn't even exist anymore. I love the pattern on these, and they were fun while they lasted. They're white on the inside, so they're not necessarily sheer, but when you bend over, it just shows that white. But these, again, have that underwear problem. When I squat down, my underwear hangs up at the top, so I'm going to get rid of them. These I think I got from Ross, and I can't remember how these perform in the gym, but I do know that they're pretty sheer. I didn't squat in these, but you can tell in a second. You can just kind of see the tag on the inside, the tag that's attached to the pants. So these are definitely not squat proof. So I'm going to put these in my maybe pile. I'm going to give them a shot at the gym and see how I feel in them. If it doesn't work out, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of them. Now the rest of these I got all from TJ Maxx. I'm going to keep all of them. They're all squat proof. That first gray pair that I showed you I have worked out in. I love it a lot. And the rest of these, I have not worked out in them yet. Some still have tags. I just recently purchased them. But they're all squat proof. And yeah, I just think they're really cute. These gray ones I've actually worked out in. They're 90 Degree by Reflex. And then I've just purchased this purple and this cobalt blue color. So I'm going to go ahead and keep all of those. So that's it for today's video. This category was quite a bit. I had way too much, it was kind of overwhelming. Didn't really realize how annoying it is to try on clothes, so I apologize. This last part I didn't put on every single one of my leggings. Dude, are you about to poop yourself? I don't know if you guys heard that, but my dog just farted. Anyways, so I do apologize for not trying on every single item, and that's just because I couldn't take it anymore. I could not put on any more leggings. I'm sorry, I couldn't do it. So if you guys are interested in the rest of my series, I will be doing my regular clothing, then some loungewear, then I don't know, whatever the hell else I have in my closet. If you guys are interested in the series, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification so you can know when I upload. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Simba, did you lose your ball? Did you lose your ball? Let's see. It's all the way under there. You can't reach it? You want Mama to get it? Look at that tail go. Look at that tail go. Oh, Mom, get my ball, please. Mom, get my ball, please. Okay. Let's see. Get his toy. Oh, thank God my camera was taken off. Yo. As I just grabbed my dog's ball, this just fell. Thank God my camera was off yet. Oh my God, I would have cried. I would have literally cried. He's like, what is that, Mom? Also, thank God that ring light didn't break.